as August winds down and we look forward to the fall season, I wanted to at least say hello to many of the people that I've come to know in my trips to Nigeria. I know that you were somewhat questioning the fact that you hadn't seen me yet this year, and I will be coming a little later in the year, but I had the joy of having my admin assistant, Rachel Mulligan, actually be in Nigeria for 2 weeks this August, and what a phenomenal job this young lady did. You send us one of your best and brightest that gets herself qualified in law and continue to get herself qualified in Toronto, and I guess this is a real homecoming for you. Is this the first time you're back?
Oh yes, since I came to Canada, it was the first trip back to Nigeria. I was really anxious. I didn't know what to expect, but well, it went very well.
Oh, that's fantastic.
I was glad to see a lot of people. Well, the changes was not quite as expected, but it was good. It was hot though, but.
Well, you shocked me. I didn't think you had to see the whole country at the same time.
Well,
you went
yes,
from
I
Port
did.
Harcourt
I did. Yeah, I had to
from
go
Port
to
Harcourt to Abuja to Warri to Benin.
Yeah, to Benin. It
mean,
was in 2 weeks.
It's a big country.
I know.
Nobody said you have to see the whole country and then back to Lagos. You didn't have to do the whole country in one.
Well,
in
that's
one or
not
2
a whole
weeks.
country, but it was nice traveling around.
Well, you left
the clients.
You left so many anxious to continue to see you and talk to both of us.
I really apologize. I wasn't able to meet with everybody. I was very time constrained, and it was such a really short period of time because the program opened and was closing up very quickly. I had to do what I had to do, but we will be back for sure, and we get to meet you all again.
Well, that's very interesting. When Rachel went, we knew that there'd be room for a certain number of people, that Quebec would be opening the program for a 2-week period, and they did. And indeed, you were most successful. You brought back some files, some families that are willing to become resident in Canada and were able to give the documents that are necessary. Those were submitted, and we now know that all those people that submitted should have an answer probably by the end of September. Don't know whether they've been chosen in the random selection.
I hope they are chosen.
And there may even be another opening of the program at the beginning of November. Because what will happen, Quebec, we're hoping to find 500 investor-client families from around the world outside China. I believe they have about 600 or 700 applicants.
Wow.
Now, depending on how many of those actually qualify, they may still be short of their 500 number.
Wow.
In which case, they'll open the program again. It might give us a few weeks to say to our friends in Nigeria, if you're ready to come now, and if you give us some just very basic essential information, we can let them roll in Quebec, because I'm down there in Montreal waiting for these things, and I'll just run them in on the government.
Yeah,
so
that's really exciting, because I met some people who they couldn't gather as much documents as they wanted to, but I think this is a good opportunity for them to prepare themselves and make sure they're ready.
Well, I'll talk to you after the program, because if we have those few people and if we're ready with them, the minute I know, because I have a contact in Montreal, he will give me an update immediately, and I'll run them in.
For sure, for sure.
Well, I'm just thrilled, and we're now looking forward to planning a trip again a little later in the year. We don't have yet the full mandate for what we're doing, but we'll be back to you during the month of September, hopefully with another video, and we'll have some more details.
So look out. Watch out. We'll be back.
Well, let me just say this in very open fashion. If you have any thoughts or ideas that you'd like to share with me, if you'd like to give me a call, our phone number is still listed at the bottom of the video. I hope it'll be available to you. Send me an email if you choose, which we'll respond to right away. And all we'd like, if you have any interest at all in Canada, drop me a note, send me a resume. We'll have it analyzed by both Rachel and our senior attorneys. We'll come back with you and give you an idea whether we can offer you services or not.
Sure.
And there's no commitment on your part. This is all pro bono. Only after we decide that there might be a fit and you think that we might be able to provide you service, will we expect you to sign a contract and make some commitment. So
I think that's fair enough.
One thing I want to continue to outline and underline, Nigeria is the place for us to be. We've made a second home there. We're going to continue our program in Nigeria.
It's a great place.
Rachel's my admin assistant. I'm looking forward to meeting your family again when I go back. And Rachel, thank you again for all you continue to do.
You're welcome, Jerry.
You're a delight.
It's a pleasure.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you so much.